Imagine you plant a seed today, and in just a few years, that tiny seed grows into a towering tree. But here's the thing, you can't wait around forever. You need to get started now if you want to see the fruits of your labor in the future. So, you've heard the term investing thrown around by friends, family, and maybe even celebrities. But if you're a beginner, it can feel like a whole new world. What's the point of investing? Is it just for the rich, or is it something anyone can do? Well, I'm here to tell you, investing is for everyone, and it's one of the best ways to make your money work for you. Investing is the process of using your money to make more money. But just like planting a seed, it takes time to grow. The goal isn't to make quick money, but to build a solid financial future. Why should you invest? You might be wondering, why should I invest? Isn't it safer to just keep my money in a savings account? Well, let me paint a picture. Let's say you put $100 in a savings account today. In a year, you might earn a couple of dollars in interest. But inflation, the rise in the cost of goods over time, can easily wipe out that tiny gain. On the other hand, if you invest that $100 in the right assets, you have the potential to grow your money faster than inflation. The key is to find investments that can outpace inflation over time, which leads us to our next point, the magic of compound interest. What is compound interest? Here's where things get exciting. Compound interest is your money earning money. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it keeps going, it gets bigger and faster. This is the power of investing, your returns begin to generate returns. It's not just about earning interest on your initial investment, but also on the interest you've already earned. Types of investments. Now, let's dive into the different types of investments you can make. There are many options out there, but we're going to focus on the most common ones. 1. Stocks. Stocks are shares in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. If the company does well, the value of your stock can increase. 2. Bonds. Bonds are like IOUs. You lend your money to the government or a corporation, and in return, they promise to pay you back with interest over time. 3. Mutual funds and ETFs. These are collections of stocks and bonds, bundled together. By investing in a mutual fund or an ETF, you're diversifying your investment without having to pick individual stocks or bonds. 4. Real estate. Investing in real estate involves buying property to either rent out for income or sell for a profit later. While this can be more hands-on, it's another popular way to build wealth. Risk versus reward. What's your risk tolerance? Every investment comes with risk, the chance that you might lose some or all of your money. But the higher the risk, the higher the potential reward. The key to success as a beginner is understanding your risk tolerance. If you're just starting out, it's smart to start with lower risk investments and slowly increase your exposure as you get more comfortable. How to get started, the basics. Opening a brokerage account. So, how do you actually get started? Let's break it down into 5 simple steps. 1. Set your goals. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or just building wealth? Setting clear goals helps guide your investment choices. 2. Choose a brokerage account. To invest, you need an account with a brokerage firm. These platforms let you buy and sell investments. Popular platforms include Robinhood, Vanguard, and Fidelity. 3. Start small. You don't need to be a millionaire to start investing. Begin with small amounts, even $50 or $100 is a great start. 4. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different assets to reduce risk. 5. Be patient. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't panic when markets go down. Stay calm, and stick to your plan. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's go over some mistakes that beginners often make. 1. Timing the market. Trying to buy and sell investments at the perfect time can lead to disappointment. It's nearly impossible to predict market moves accurately. 2. Lack of diversification. Investing all your money in one stock is risky. Always spread your investments across different asset types. 3. Ignoring fees. Pay attention to the fees that come with investing. Over time, high fees can eat into your returns. Remember, the most important step in investing is to start. It doesn't matter if you don't know everything right now. The key is to take action today so that your money can begin to grow for your future. As long as you stay patient and stay the course, you're on the path to financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips to help you build wealth. What's your first investment going to be? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Until next time, keep growing your financial future.